Hi guys, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Let's talk a little bit about the summer heat and things that you can do to remain safe. It's very important to keep yourself an emergency kit in your vehicle. And I know that may sound like, I don't think that's important. It's very important because you never know what the situation is. You never know if you're going to be on a trip someplace, or if you are on a trip and something happens and it's 98 degrees outside and your car dies and you're in the middle of no man's land. You're going to be thankful that you packed this emergency kit. An emergency kit should consist of bottled water, should also consist of medical supplies, it should consist of non-perishable foods. You should also have batteries, actual batteries. You should have a radio with you, flashlight with the batteries. I know you're like, oh, but I have a cell phone. That cell phone dies, you're going to be in a world of trouble. So flashlight, batteries, non-perishable food, water, medical supplies. And when I say medical supplies, we're talking band-aids, bandages, things to make a splint. You're going to want some peroxide, things like that. Very, very important to have these. Have a white covering for your head in case you have to walk to town, something to reflect the sun off the top of your head so that you don't have to suffer through heat stroke. Once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. We're just hoping that you guys have a fun but extremely safe summer. Take care. We'll look for you in the lot. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.